Greetings, greetings, greetings. So, you used to drink and junk and got all kind of party and go on with all kind of wickedness and nastiness. But no, you start follow Jesus and people are say all kind of something about you. Guess what? I know I'm bad sitting that here. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, now at the best time for click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. Because you're not going to miss none of what I go on. Right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist GWAAN Richards Goffe.
Today, me I go read from the first letter from Peter, chapter 4, from verse 1 to verse 6. Since Christ Jesus suffer when he did a walk upon the earth, yeah, a same way uno forget uno mind ready for suffer too. Cause anybody will start suffer so, I turn them back pan sin. From now on then, that's somebody there. No for spend the rest of their life on the earth, yeah. I do all kind of sin when I have nothing to do with God, like a one time. Cause at that they might have want to do. No, them fi live how God want them to live. Uno spend enough time I do what the worldly and them like to do. In the past, all we no mustn't do, and that only did long for do, and galang go do. And uno used to drink whole heap all the time. Uno drink, strong drink, and junk uno off. Then, some of the time them, uno and uno friend them would have a wild party and drink and galang with all kind of nastiness. And if that never bad, uno put other God over God we have all power. What a wicked, wicked sin. And now, them people there, we are going with the same kind of nastiness and wickedness. Them not tap chat uno. And I say all kind of sitting about uno. Cause they can't understand where really are going. How come uno now run galang with them? And I do the said sit them like one time. But then we have to answer to God. Him ready to judge everybody, dead or alive. And that make the good news they preach to all the people them where they know. Cause even though them get judged like other people, the spirit will make them can go live with God. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.